we have uncovered another unboxing of toys for Disney. So FAO Schwarz has a vending machine. You can get it at Target. We are on our way to go get it now. Okay, we're going in to get them. I got two, one Disney and one Marvel. Let's go get them. We got the goods, both of them. We just got them. They're so much bigger than what I thought, but it's great. I'm so excited. I do have some errands to run, and then we'll be back and we'll see what these are all about. So we're home and we are going to unbox the Disney character one. I also got the Marvel one, but we're gonna do that on a separate video. So it's all unpacked out of its packaging, and in the packaging it comes with everything that you can get. Disney, and then you have the glitter series, metallic series, gold series. Glitter, metallic, and gold are all rare, and then the Disney are the characters. Okay. We got Stitch. Let's see the next one. We got a rare. We got Donald, a glitter series Donald at that. Let's see the next. We got a rare Daisy, also part of the glitter series. Can you guys see her? She's clear. Eeyore. Hey there, buddy. We got Goofy. Pluto. The genie. Hey, genie. Winnie the Pooh. We have Eeyore and Winnie the Pooh. Tinkerbell. Minnie. Piglet. And this is the last one. Mickey. It's Mickey. There's Mickey. Fun. Again, you get kind of your checklist. It's a fun activity for the kids and a fun activity for me. Other than that, we will see you on the next one.